do apologize for the interruption, everyone, but the emergency alert system has been activated. The following is not a test. Please stand by.
Residents of the city of Lompoc must shelter in place immediately. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Lompoc Police Department. A dangerous situation is taking place in the city of Lompoc at this time. Multiple 911 calls have been made across the area, regarding unknown, humanoid creatures. These creatures have been confirmed to be sirens. Sirens are creatures mostly known for their singing voices, which lure persons into death, either by drowning or suffocation. These creatures have the following characteristics: long, black hair that extends down to their waist, blue, green, or brown eyes, and wear little to no clothing. Additionally, these creatures also have black fish tails instead of legs when underwater. It is unknown how these sirens appeared in the area, however, all residents must shelter in place immediately. Close and lock all doors and windows. Turn off all lights, and get into the most interior part of your home. If you are driving, and can drive home, do so now. If you are unable to drive home, police will guide you to the nearest shelter. Do not attempt to evacuate, as doing so may put your life in more danger. Please stay tuned to local media outlets for further details on this dangerous situation.